Good morning, school. Today I'm going to be talking on the topic fear and anxiety. Now I'd like to call on Kiki to give a brief explanation.
In dictionary terms, fear is defined as an unpleasant feeling, often caused by anticipation or awareness of danger. But to me, I define fear as the fear of uncertainty, the ability not to know what's coming, something that frightens you before you even see it. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, Kiki. Fear and anxiety. I know many of you carry weight that no one can see. The fear of failure, the anxiety of not being enough, and sometimes it feels like everyone else has it together except you. But let me tell you something. Fear and anxiety doesn't mean you are weak. They show up not because you are broken, but because you care. The truth is, you don't have to be brave. You don't have to be fearless to move forward. You just have to be brave to take the next step. Fear and anxiety sometimes whisper in our minds, making us doubt ourselves. Every time we want to make a big decision, when life throws the unexpected at us. Fear tells us to stay safe, but anxiety tries to prepare us for every possible outcome. But let me tell you something today. So today, if you feel overwhelmed, remember that you are not alone. I'll leave you with this. Your fear is not a wall. It is a door, and every time you walk through it, you grow wings you never knew you had. Thank you.